Hey guys, I want to show you how easy it is to make your own circus costume. Simply just find a white shirt and black pants. You could even wear jeans. Just as simple as that. Add a mustache, you could add whiskers. You could even add a little bit more if you could find something like red, some kind of jacket to go over, and it adds just a little more touch for the circus. There you go, your ringleader. If you have a little bit more, you can add just a touch of gold. All I have is a gold necklace, so I add it kind of shows a little bit more of the circus theme. Even if you don't have red jacket, could be a black jacket maybe. You could also find some tape to add. So I have a white shirt and I just have red tape here, and I can take a few strips like this, and then I could put them across the front so I could show like a coat. You could also do this with a red shirt and white tape or masking tape that could show kind of like the drummer lines for your circus theme shirt. And I just found this in my closet, and that's all you need to do. Another costume you could create all by yourself with just what's in your closet, I literally just came from my closet, is a mime. Just find a black and white striped shirt, or it could be gray and white. I even had a few of them to wear. It could be long sleeve, it could be short sleeve, maybe some black pants or jeans. And then you can simply just add a little touch of red. Maybe you have a red long sock. This one's a scarf. You just put it around your neck, kind of tied into a little tie on the side. You could even add white gloves if you have white gloves for a pantomime. This is a great costume for you to create with what's in your closet. Alright, this is another DIY circus themed costume. This is the Strongest Man costume. And all you need is a striped tank top. You can wear a shirt under, like a white shirt or a black shirt under, and just some shorts if you want, or you could do pants. You might have some athletic high top shoes. You could even wear these in other circus themed shoes. We also have the Strongest Woman, which is just a little girlier than the Strongest Man one. So just anything that's striped, like a tank top, striped tank top, and then you can pretend to be the Strongest Man or the Strongest Woman. Alright, here's a DIY silly, fun, cute clown costume. All you have to do is just add a bunch of things that are mixed matched together. Crazy socks, different kinds of shoes, just put two different kinds. You can even do two different kinds of socks to make them crazy. Something with lots of bright colors, fun colors. This is a cute dress I have, but it has lots of fun colors and nice patterns like polka dots, stripes maybe. You can even do something silly with your hair, add hair bands or head barrette things. You can also just add face. This is just eyeliner that your mom might have, or a family member. Just add a smile, add cheeks. You could add different colors. And this is just a fun, silly, kooky clown costume, just adding a bunch of things that don't match together. Here's another DIY circus theme that you can do, and this is one of the animals, a lion, just simply a yellow. You could even do a white shirt with khaki pants that you guys already have khaki pants that you wear to school. And I just added a little scarf. You might have some ribbon that you have to pretend to be the lion's mane, and then I just added whiskers and a nose. You can see I put my hair in like little knobs on the side. You can have your hair kind of out like a lion's mane, but this would be a circus animal like a lion, a tiger, or even an elephant. This is another DIY circus costume that you guys can make, where you have a beautiful dress that you have on, or something simple like this. I just have a skirt with a tank top, or you could have another shirt and be the trapeze artist or the one who walks the tightrope. I just added a flower, one of my baby's hair bands, and just have your hair up similar to a trapeze artist. This is another costume you can do for your circus.